Welcome to the Dr. Weigert tutorial on laboratory glassware reprocessing. Today we will show the correct way to reprocess sensitive materials. A variety of sensitive materials are used in the laboratory. These include, for example, anodized laboratory utensils, but also objects made of pure aluminium. An anodized layer provides additional protection. A colored top oxide layer also allows for color coding. Particularly gentle processes are required when reprocessing these materials. The following example of an attempt at cleaning shows what happens when sensitive materials are not reprocessed correctly. Here you can see an anodized surface that has been damaged by the use of wrong cleaning agents. The top layer has been removed. The dyes stored in the pores of the anodized layer are lost, and as a result, the utensils are discolored. A pH-neutral cleaner and the quality of the water used are decisive for successful reprocessing. An excessively acidic or alkaline pH value can cause chemical interactions between the anodized layer and the process chemical. Dr. Weigert recommends using Neodisher Protec 5. Here is an example of aluminium laboratory utensils that have been correctly reprocessed and cleaned. For selecting specific process chemicals and corresponding program parameters, please contact your Neodisher consultant. On request, the application's engineering Neodisher develops customized solutions for your individual requirements. Dr. Weigert, Systematic Hygiene.